Common non-carbonated beverages in human life mainly include fruit and vegetable juice drinks, tea beverages, dairy-containing drinks, plant protein drinks, and functional beverages. As living standards continue to improve, beverages have increasingly become a part of people's daily lives. The beverage industry has continually developed and matured, gradually changing the previous situation of small-scale, single-product structure, and disorderly competition. The scale and industrialization level of beverage companies continue to improve, and the product structure is becoming increasingly rational. The beverage market has become one of the fastest growing markets in the food industry. Functional drinks, fruit and vegetable juice drinks, and tea drinks will be the main structure. Pursuing health value is the inevitable direction for the future development of the beverage market. A beverage production line mainly includes a water treatment system, a fruit and vegetable soaking treatment system, a storage system, a filtration and purification system, an emulsification and ingredient system, a flash degassing system, a sterilization and homogenization system, a canning system, a post-canning packaging system, and a CRP automatic cleaning system. The water quality used in beverage production directly affects the operation and maintenance of production equipment, as well as the appearance and taste of the beverage. Therefore, the cleaning water, mixing water, and so on used in production must be as pure as possible. Currently, the widely used water treatment equipment globally is the reverse osmosis unit. The reverse osmosis unit produced by our company is highly automated, fully functional, and has stable performance. The quality of the water produced fully meets the national standards for purified water. The fruit and vegetable processing system includes fruit reducing equipment, fruit washing equipment, crushing and pulping equipment, color storage equipment, and filtering equipment.
The beverage pre-treatment system includes storage equipment, filtration and purification equipment, emulsification and dosing equipment, needle flashing degassing equipment, batch processing equipment, sterilization equipment, and so on. All parts that come into contact with the materials are made of high-quality stainless steel, and all pipeline systems are installed using sanitary-grade SUS 304 stainless steel fittings. In the pre-treatment process, beverages undergo specific procedures such as filtration and purification, mixing, blending, degassing, homogenization, and sterilization, according to their product type. The flash steam degassing unit, produced by our company, uses advanced touchscreen automatic control to degas materials, with a degassing rate reaching 98%. It can remove 4 to 8% of moisture and odors from materials, mainly applied in dairy products, juices, and beverages for appropriate vacuum degassing. It can effectively enhance the product's aroma and concentration, prevent oxidation, thereby improving the quality of the product and extending its shelf life. The plate tubular ultra-high temperature pasteurizer, produced by our company, can be used for sterilizing liquid beverages. The control modes are divided into semi-automatic and fully automatic. The fully automatic main machine uses advanced PLC automatic control and touchscreen display technology. The entire process is fully automated, controlled, and monitored. It can be custom designed according to customer needs. It is highly compatible with various packaging machines such as Tetra Brick, Tetra Pak, Roof Carton, Combi Pack, Pure Pack, and P plastic bottle packaging. The canning process is a crucial step in beverage and dairy processing. The stable state of the canning process is directly related to the inherent quality of the finished product. Depending on the type of product, customers can choose fully automatic roof,